talking all that I'm used to, and I shouldn't stay, but I choose to. I feel my heart every time I give in. I'm a slave to the memories, and I play it safe so I never leave. Oh, it's day after day, I just dance with the pain. They say I'm more than the scars on my back, but all of my demons keep holding me back. Right into that open door, somewhere that I've been before. Can't seem to get no rest, trying to escape myself. I guess I must confess, I'm comfortable in this mess. Better the ache, I know. I'm scared of the fate I don't, just like a hand to hold. At least I'm not alone. Pride lays the rules that I choose to abide, but you know, tempting me to the high. Though it's flawed by design, I give in. War in my veins, can't get away, self-medicate. Oh Lord, thoughts in my brain, I'm never sane, I'm never in control. Right into that open door, somewhere that I've been before. Can't seem to get no peace of mind. All these feelings never fade, and the pain won't go away. And it haunts me that nobody's gonna save me. Yeah. They say I'm more than the scars on my back, but all of my demons keep holding me back. Right into that open door, somewhere that I've been before. Can't seem to get no rest, trying to escape myself. I guess I must confess, I'm comfortable in this mess. Better the ache, I know. I'm scared of the fate I don't, just like a hand to hold. At least I'm not alone.
This dance is called Escaping Myself, choreographed by Malene, Jakobsen, Åstmar, and Lynn. It's a 3-2 count, 2 wall, phrase, low and advanced level, rolling a count, line dance. There are 2 parts in this dance. Part A has 16 count, and Part B also has 16 count. The dance sequence is A, A, B, A, 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 B, A, B, A, A. Now let me go over the step for Part A. Part A has 16 count. Section 1, starting with a right foot, rock back, recover. Full turn to your left with a sweep. Half turn left, stepping back. Half turn left, stepping forward with a sweep. With cross, side, behind. Step left foot to left side and sway to left, sway to right. Quarter turn left, stepping forward with a sweep. Cross. Quarter turn right, stepping back. Quarter turn right, stepping forward. Section 2. Step left foot forward and make a spiral full turn right. Forward, half turn right, stepping back. Rock back and sway, recover. Forward locking step, angle your body to left with a sweep. Crosswalk, recover with a sweep. Behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, half turn right, stepping back. Last step for part A, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Last part A. Now let me show you the step for part B. Part B also has 16 counts. Section 1, starting with the right foot, quarter turn right, side, back rock, recover, side, back rock, recover, quarter turn right, stepping forward, side rock, recover, 1/8 turn right, stepping forward with a hitch. Back, 1/8 turn left, side rock, recover, back, side rock, recover, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, half turn left, stepping back. Big back step on your left foot, drag your right foot and push your right arm forward, palm facing front. Section 2, right foot, coaster step, forward, half turn right, half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back with a swing. Weave, behind, side, cross, side. Touch behind and snap your right finger to right side. Quarter turn left, stepping forward, forward rock, recover. Last step for part B, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Last part B, last whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.